In this video, you will learn what an income statement is and how you can prepare it. An income statement is a way of measuring the profitability of a business over a given period. It includes sales, cost, and profit. To calculate profit, we will need a sales figure and from that, deduct the cost. This equation is pretty much the structure of an income statement. To prepare an income statement, we will need a title, two columns, and we will need the following sections: sales, cost of sales, gross profit, expenses, and net profit. To start things off, I will use a mini trial balance in order to prepare an income statement. However, you may get asked to create T accounts in order to prepare financial statements. For more information about T accounts, do check out my playlist after watching this video. So let's use the equation of an income statement to know where the accounts in the trial balance go. Here we can see that in the trial balance includes the sales account, which does match the equation. So we will include that in an income statement as a credit due to it being an income. We will next look for direct costs. For direct costs, it will be inventory and purchases as they are the cost of goods sold. Let me explain what this means. Let's say that they are a retail store. At the start of a period, they have inventory worth this amount. They then purchase more inventory to sell in the store, and at the end of a period, they are left with inventory worth that amount. This gives us a cost of goods sold around £98,000. Now that we have calculated cost of sales and know what the sales figure is, we can now work out what the gross profit is. So we do sales minus cost of sales, which gives us a gross profit of around £46,000. We can now move on to expenses, which are a day-to-day running cost that allows a business to generate sales and they are recorded as a debit. Salaries are an expense as employees are one of the reasons why a business generates revenue. Electricity is an expense as a business will need it in order to operate. Rent is an expense as well as they will have fixed payments. And the last two expenses are sundry expenses and vehicles expenses. Once we have totaled the expenses, we can finally work out what the net profit is by just doing gross profit minus the expenses, which will give us approximately £17,800 of net profit. The rest of the accounts that are left in the trial balance will go to the balance sheet. And that is how you prepare an income statement. If you found this video useful, give it a like, share it to someone that you think will benefit from this, and please subscribe as well as I'll be posting more videos like this in the future. Thank you for watching this video.